Hey guys, welcome back. So yeah, got something else that came in today, so we're gonna do the install on that. So stay tuned. In a couple of seconds we'll be installing it. So catch you in a second. Oh yeah, nice little feature that I like. I didn't even know we had that till lock the doors and the mirrors close automatically. Every time. Unlock the doors, mirrors open back. Pretty cool. Yeah, so today's installation is going to be a Aeroskin hood protector. So let's get this thing out of the box. Still waiting on my window vent visors. Thought they would be in today too. Alright, so we got some alcohol wipes. Yeah. Let's see how this is gonna. So that's where it's gonna sit. Yeah. Stone chips and. Alrighty then. So we'll get the cleaning surface ready. The good rubbing alcohol and something to wipe it. Put some alcohol on that. The tricky part is knowing how to put it on, that you don't pull the two-way tape guard off all in one shot, that you literally let it, you take off the corners and the middle. I'll show you guys that in a second, and then you start. And just make sure that there's no wax, there's no nothing, but it's a week old now. So everywhere where you see that there's a beginning, so basically what you do is, if I can get it going, and you just put it that you can peel it off the bottom. So get every corner like that going. I'm going to show you what I learned. So basically, as you can see, had to bend every one of these. You bend them on a 45 or 90 degree, 45 on the tape to get it 90 degree. But anyways, you do all these like that, the whole thing right across. And if there's dust and debris in the middle like there is on this, well, now's the time to wipe it clean, because you're basically gonna stick it in there forever. Yeah, so, and then fold them back out if you touched them like I just did. And let's sit it on there, and we're gonna have to bend them all out at the same time we're putting in there. So, alright, so get your little stickies out. There we go. We're okay there. We're okay here. We're okay here. Hold it in place. All right. Let's see the other side. Sticker. 2E tape here. 2E tape here. Like this. As you can see, all. And now we're gonna sit it into place where it's gonna need to go. And then you just dab the corners where you know that you got some holding it in place. Okay, that's weird. Let me go see on the other side. Okay, so it overlaps a little tiny bit on the other side. You're gonna stick it down. Seems to overlap a little bit on this side. Now I'm going to try to get it as flush as I can to the end. Alright, so overlaps here a little bit. I'm going to see if I can just pull this out a little bit. Stick it there. And go look, see what's on the other side. Alright, so please read instructions before installing. Didn't do that. Okay, so I'm a little bit in that way. Actually, the same thing here. All right, so let's start right from the middle. These have to be sunk. This is easy with this one because it sinks down because of the dip, and that can guide you pretty good. So let's start from the top. Work our way across. That's just writing from the sticker film. Okay, so how am I sitting here? Okay, I want it to sit like that, so I guess I'm gonna have to. Okay. Alright. There we go. And there we go. That's why it's important to not just do one side. Like this side here is connected to this side. Unless you got a really short one like this one, you might just want to do one. But it's important to do both sides because in case you're pulling it and it does decide to rip, then you got backup plan that you can pull from that side. But and then just pull them off. and then just go over it all everywhere. Alright, when you figure you got everything stuck, come to a corner, roll down that protective film over it. Don't take this off till you're done, because you don't want to scratch anything. And also it attracts dust, this stuff's like window tinting and everything, so inspect it. Oh, got a piece here that's not coming out. There you go. Oh, another piece here that's stuck underneath it. Alright. Another piece here. Jeez. This protective, oh, bottom too. Top. Yeah. So if this happens, I guess it's normal. And a little bit of alcohol to take off, like if there's a glue film to hold this thing in place. And just be gentle when you pull on it, I guess. I'll start from the other end, see if it goes better. So basically this is not hard, just use your finger as to rub it, don't even need to use your nail. Oh, I didn't want that happening. When the little section doesn't come out, it'd be hard to pull off. Yeah. Did you get it? No. There you go. You don't want to scratch the paint. There we go. Okay. There you have it, guys. That's what it looks like. So yeah, it's a nice finish. That's the company, AVS. It's even got a US freaking code underneath it, and so I guess they're proud of their work. It makes a nice finish. It wraps around the front lip of the hood, so basically where all the stone chips usually hit, this is wrapped around it. And yeah, comes over the lights. I find it blends right in. It's even got the hood scoop thingy. Obviously the tape and seal is pretty good. That's not going to get in there. It's already holding the water back, but it can't even get in there on each side. So I guess I sat it at the right place. So yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate everything. I know this is a AT4X video, not a X3 video, but just getting it ready and putting all the accessories on. Now I'm waiting for my event visors for my windows from the same company that I'm going to put on. So thanks again everybody for everything here. Appreciate this. So we'll catch you on the next one. Have yourself a great weekend. Bye for now.